My people, it's another beautiful morning today. As you can see, I still have my balance off on my Binance account. Let me show you. I have 10,923 USDT, equivalent to 1,410,000 in Kenyan shillings, right? So guys, on this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to trade crypto arbitrage and turn your little capital on Binance to such kind of amount that I have in my wallet. So without wasting time, guys, we are going to do what we call crypto arbitrage. Is simply buying low on one exchange and selling high on another exchange. Okay, so the first step, guys, you need to have an exchange on trexbit.com. What you do, you come to Google. On Google, go on Google like this, and then you search trexbic.com. Okay, you can see it's trexbic.com, and then you open, as you can see. So this is the exchange we are going to use, guys. Okay, so this is the exchange called Trexbic. So once you open and create account on this exchange, the second step, you need to buy USDT on your Binance. Okay, you buy your USDT on your Binance and then have a balance. All right, and the next step, guys, we are going to buy on P2P. So the first step, we click on, you can see now I have 232. I'll withdraw this balance after the trade. So you need to click on these three dots, and then you go to P2P trading, P2P market, and then today we are going to buy. And then, guys, you choose payment method USDT, and then amount you are going to buy of 600. So guys, once you put the amount you want to buy, you need to find a vendor with at least 0.8, like this Emeka Nusu. We're going to buy from Emeka Nusu. You can see Emeka Nusu has reviews of positive reviews of 4.8, trade history of over 285 orders, and the reviews are here and the statistics. Okay, so let's go and trade with Emeka Nusu. I'll go back, buy, and then choose USDT amount 600. So I'll find Emeka Nusu again. Okay, if we don't find Emeka Nusu, we'll find another one. Now we are going to use Zara Okwonko, which has 0.8. Okay, so and then we click on buy, put amount 600 USDT, right, and then proceed to purchase, and then click pay, and then confirm. That's, we are buying now USDT from Zara Okwonko, guys. So now the next step, guys, we need to pay Zara on their address. So this is the address that we need to pay Zara to. I've copied the address, and then I'll go to my Binance, click on assets, send, withdraw crypto USDT, and then put amount, put the address here, network amount will be 601.1 because of $1 fee, $1.1 fee, and then withdraw. Okay, and then confirm. So now we are confirming 600 being sent to Zara Okwonko. Now I'm putting my passkey, guys, and remember this video is for educational purpose only. It's not a financial advice unless you do exactly what I'm doing. So now you can see we have sent 601 to Zara Okwonko, guys. Okay, so the next step, guys, now we need now to come here and then scroll here and then click I have paid. Okay, so once you click I have paid, you need to wait for the payment to be detected by the blockchain automatically. So you see, guys, I'm buying USDT at Zara Okwonko at 600. I'm going to receive 783. That's 183 USDT in profit. Okay, so just be patient as it's being finalized. Okay, let's just be patient. Just patient some moments. You need to be very patient at this level, guys. Very, very patient. Just be patient, guys. It will automatically get detected itself. Okay. Some people are calling me right now. Just be patient. Usually takes about 1 minute or 10 minutes, 1 to 5 minutes. So you can see now it has been detected automatically, and I paid 600. I paid 600 and I received 703. Okay, so now I click done, and once you click done, you can see now the balance is 1000. Okay, so now guys, since we have now made the profit of 183, I'm going now to withdraw. I will withdraw 800. I'll go to crypto wallet, withdraw. Okay, and then on withdrawal, I'll choose for funding wallet where I have money, and then I'll put amount. So we are continuing, guys. I'm going now to withdraw amount 800. Okay, and you see if I withdraw 800, guys, I'm going to receive 772. So I'll continue to address. So now at this step, I'll go back to my Binance. You can see now if I refresh, I have 10322. So I'll come to my Binance, and then I'll click on add funds, deposit crypto, USDT, TRX, and then I'll copy this deposit address, and then guys, I'll paste it here, and then I'll put again, and then review. Remember guys, this video is for educational purpose only. Unless you do exactly what I do, I do not encourage it as a financial advice. Okay, so the next step, guys, I need to put my verification code here. Okay, so I'm going to copy my verification code, and then I'll come back here and paste it, and then I'll confirm withdrawal. Okay, so now guys, some of you are getting this kind of error. A minimum TRX gas balance of 15 TRX is required to process withdrawal. Please send TRX to your Tron deposit address. It will be swept automatically and your account will be unlocked. Okay, so it's because when you withdraw USDT, guys, you need to have what we call Tron TRX. TRX is used to as gas fee on the network. So I'm going to deposit TRX first. So what I'll do, I'll go deposit, I'll go TRX, and then I'll put amount 15. No, I'll put 30. I'll put 30, and then get TRX deposit address, copy this. Okay, so once I copy the address, I'll go back to my Binance, and then I'll convert it to, if I go to assets here, you can see I have 13 TRX. So I'm going to trade here and then convert, and then USDT. Okay, I'll put let's say 10 to get TRX, and then preview. Okay, so I'm going to convert TRX. You can see now I have 28 TRX, total of 41, no, sorry, 41. So now I'll send withdraw crypto and send the TRX to the address, and then I'll put 30 amount and then withdraw. Okay, and then confirm. So again, I'm going to put my passkey. Remember guys, this TRX is used for withdrawal in the blockchain. Okay, you can't withdraw USDT without TRX gas fee. So now guys, I'm going to click on here and say I have paid, so that it can get credited. You see your TRX has been credited to your account. Done. Okay, so now I think I have enough TRX. Right, so what I will do, I'll go back to crypto wallet and then withdraw, and then I'll put amount. Just a moment guys, let me reload and check whether the TRX is available. I'm still waiting for the TRX to update here, guys. I'm still waiting for that, so let's wait. So guys, I think now my TRX has updated. I'll again click withdrawal, and then I'll put amount 800 as before. Continue. Let me see. Okay, you can see the TRX has updated 39 now, so I'll go to put amount is 800. Continue to address. Now I'll paste my address here. Okay, and then I will repeat the same address here, and then review. So now I'm going to put my verification code again here. So I'll go back here and then get the verification code is here, copy it, and then paste it here to process withdrawal. Okay, so now it's processing. Withdrawal request has been submitted and it's processing, guys. So now I'm waiting for the withdrawal to be confirmed. Okay, you can see it has come to blockchain. Let's see. You can see here it's on the blockchain right now. So now it will take a few seconds to confirm to my Binance account. I'm expecting to receive 772 after withdrawal fee of 28.0, fee of 3.5%. I've still made a profit of 172, guys. Okay, so I'm now waiting for it to arrive on my Binance account. Okay, you can see my other withdrawals and everything. So now, guys, I'm waiting for it to arrive. Okay, just a few seconds now. Boom, it has gone now, guys. It is now credited. If I click on Transcan here and zoom, you can see now it's confirmed 1 minute ago, 772. Okay, so now I'll have to go to my Binance and check whether it has arrived. I refresh. You can see there it is. If I go to assets, you can see 772 that has been confirmed and deposited from Trexbik account from that trade, guys. So now I have a balance of 200.51 USDT. So now, guys, remember you can also trade or using AI bots, trading bots on here. You can also use trading bots like this Pioneer Pro, Pionex Grid bot has 13.52 earning daily. You can use it to trade, and you need to deposit funds on your spot wallet to trade with the AI bots. So thank you so much for watching this video, and leave a like, share, and share the video, comment, and help others also make passive income like you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely weekend ahead.